Alright, my correct people, and welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV, and I don't come your side with another ogbonge and legitimate informate wey I go like share give all of una. And this koko na about Malam Nazir El-RUFAI, wey be the former governor of Kaduna State. My country people, you know say if we want check how they don't take thief with country people money, if we want check the people wey don thief money for inside this our country Nigeria, you go say na politicians that be number one. The kind of money wey politicians don thief for inside this our country Nigeria, e reach to bring betterment to the full country. Make dem forget that infrastructure wey dey talk, make dem forget that thing. EFCC now just dey go about, dey go arrest people wey dey thief small small money, but politicians now be say they dey thief millions, billions, dollars. They no go arrest those ones, and no true make sense. As I'm talking to you right now, my correct person, Malam Nazir El-RUFAI, this man, he don go collect meat for pot. He don forget to clean the oil wey dey im mouth, because the Kaduna State House of Assembly, they don approve, they don give go ahead, say make dem investigate the former governor wey be Nazir El-RUFAI in government sake of allegations say dem mismanage some parts of the money wey im borrow, wey reach more than $758 million during im tenure. No be small koko, my correct people. Now the investigative committee wey dem don plaster on the former Kaduna State governor head wey be El-RUFAI, wey the Kaduna State House of Assembly dem set up, dem don present their findings to the house on Wednesday. The tori be say as the committee chairman wey be Magaji Henry Danjuma, as im dey present the investigation results to the house, na im come dey yarn say dem find evidence of mismanagement and misappropriation of the money wey El-RUFAI government bin borrow. Now the committee report come dey talk say the money wey the former Kaduna State governor wey be Nazir El-RUFAI bin borrow, wey reach more than $758 million, they no use am all for the project wey the former governor bin talk say dem wan use am take do. And the person wey bring this matter come board na the chairman of the committee wey be Barrister Magaji. Na him carry the tori go dey give tori people. Him come dey explain why dem do the investigation. Him come dey yarn say Governor Uba Sani say na him start dey complain about the financial wahala wey the state dey face sake of the plenty debt wey the state e don carry. So as the man don too complain, this one come make dem come set up the investigative committee, where they come discover say Kaduna State bin borrow more than $758 million with the promise say dem go do projects for the state. But their investigation now dey show say dem no use all the money for the project wey the former government bin do for inside the year 2015 to the year 2023. And it comes to the yarn say this debt now, e don make the state government no fit pay workers salary well, because of the deductions now from the state money every month. Say they can't take dey pay debt, e no make sense at all. Now the Kaduna State House of Assembly, e don set up this committee after Governor Uba Sani complain about the state inability to pay workers salary sake of the deductions from their funds from 10 billion naira to 3.4 billion naira. No be small matter, my correct people. Now El-RUFAI, wey be the former governor of Kaduna State, wey be the culprit, so him come dey talk through im spokesperson wey be Muyiwa Adekeye. This im spokesperson now come outside, come dey yarn dey give public say the former governor dey talk say him lead a government of integrity and competence during im 8-year administration. He say Malam Nazir El-RUFAI now dey very proud of im record of governance and the legacy im leave for inside Kaduna State. Say this record of consistently high performance in public and private office no fit dey changed by any malicious efforts to use the state legislature for defamation and undeserved smears. Say many of the officials wey serve for the El-RUFAI government appeared before the ad hoc committee because of their confidence in the quality of their service for Kaduna State. The spokesperson comes to the yarn, my correct people, say Malam Nazir El-RUFAI in the wish to assure country people say he serve Kaduna State with integrity and to the best of his capacity, assisted by a hard-working and patriotic team. Say he comply with all laws in all him activities while he be governor. Say this probe now, say this torchlighting now wey dey do on top him matter, e suppose dey disregarded. Say nobody suppose lis ten to am because the thing dey politically motivated. That is to say na politics, na dem na dey set am up, you understand. But my correct people, you see this matter, e get as e be o. The way politicians don take thief money for inside this our country Nigeria is no longer funny. Just check out Mr. Yahaya Bello now. Till today, EFCC never still discover this man till today. Nobody know where him dey. Instead, the man go dey for where him dey now, dey post video. The that time him post video of himself for inside one expensive Benz like that. No true make sense. The man now him dey disgrace the agencies of we country Nigeria. Somebody like EFCC now, as dem big reach, they no fit discover, they no fit gbab this man, bring am to justice. But may God help you say you no spray money for any party, because EFCC go dey your back. They go just carry you sharp sharp. But this man now wey don thief millions of naira, wey be say him accused na sake of money fraud and say him carry government money go dey pay him children their school fees. They never catch am till today o. All the people dey thief millions and billions of country people their money, billions of Nigerian money. EFCC and other agencies now, they no go arrest them. Just check out this man now, as the Kaduna State House of Assembly don approve, don give the go ahead, say make dem investigate the former governor wey be EL-RUFAI government sake of allegations say the man mismanage some part of the money wey him borrow. Money wey him borrow $758 million. If you say make you begin dey transfer this money now to naira, omo, calculator go full. So now make they press button say this man now, they need to torchlight the matter properly, and they need to prosecute am. All those people dey under in government, they need to torchlight all of them properly. And any of them now we say evidence just come outside, say make they just put them for inside prison. All these kind of levels, because e no true make sense. How you go borrow this kind huge sum of money, say you want to do project, and all the project now you no come do and complete. You do project, money remain. Okay, you know say as a good person wey you be, make you put money back. You understand? All these kind of levels, e no dey. E come as if no good politician dey for inside this our country Nigeria. E no true make sense at all. But na EL-RUFAI now don come outside, him dey defend himself, say na lie o, say this thing wey dey plaster on top him head, say na political something, say make we disregard am. How we wan take disregard am when countryman don hear allegation of this kind money and him take stop? Omo, we no suppose to disregard at all. We suppose to get to the bottom of this issue. So the EFCC now and other agencies wey dey torchlight corruption and fraud, they need to come into this matter. They need to come do something about am. Make country people therefore know the truth behind the issue, whether na true say na political motivated something, abi when na true say this man him true borrow this kind money and he no come do all the project wey he suppose do with the money. Where the change come go for him pocket ba, he need to bring am come outside, and he need to bring am give country people or the people wey him collect am from. You get? Because as the current governor of Kaduna State now, wey be Uba Sani, dey complain say he no dey fit pay workers because of debt. E no true make sense. E dey bring shortage now to the workers of Kaduna State currently. So this na the koko wey I bring come for you, my correct people. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say this na Anointed Lady TV, where we dey give you ogbonge and legitimate news on the things and things wey dey sup for inside the country Nigeria. If you never subscribe to this channel, make you try go subscribe, so that as we bring the news dey come, now you go first get the updates and you go get them sharp. And I beg make you try to share the updates to your family and friends, so that them too, they go know wetin dey play for inside the country Nigeria. And they bring on that news for you, my correct people. No go anywhere.